Mi phai phor ni kang sampor phai plia por malom khat khati Sports Association ke pathu kla malom khat khati Football Championship ke pathu kachepatir pipon khat khati Bazar Committee pen. Pini labangso khat khati Football Championship ang dung kiti ke pathu panalong aluhi sarpo man pen kachetong dun Bokajan Municipal Board Chairman Sar Dilibe man peng aluhi khat khati Sports Association ame phu Rajbuteron SGB Babu Bongro khat khati Bazar Committee ame phu Longsar Bongro Rongasar Sailendra to bi penchenlok ki theki ding tung che tongdun si aliralon pidunlo Pini khat khati Football Championship ang dung kiti ke pathu ponake Central khat khati Football Club lapen Karagaon Football Club atirang tumang bongsi ing tangkring pen chipati ponlo Central khat khati Football Club atirang tum thek mu chora jok ke thom highway goal nil pen Karagaon Football Club atirang tum aphan pareng pontetu ke hainong e tangka suri koila pen trophy la pen kirema tum aphan suri cap la pen trophy pajar ponlo Best player nong e kilong na ke Simon Singh Best goalkeeper Long Dili Terang Best defense Shorab Hussain Player of the tournament Somon Teron Best discipline Lahurijan Football Club pen Sangti dipen projen terang Karbing Long Lai